I got a chip on my shoulder the size of the biggest boulder out in North Dakota. Very seldom is when you catch me sober, and most my homies stoners, please excuse my aroma. We do it for the loner, blonde bitches giving me bonus. And this was all a part of my $1 million scheme. Split it with the team because they never let me doubt a dream. Coop look like sour cream, I'm all about my chips though. I'm fireman, popping like frying pans in Crisco. Too wild for you to handle on, I'm the one to gamble on. Van snappy hair with the flannels and 5 panels on. I know you recognize the fam, cause every dude with me stick out like the sore thumb on your favorite cripple's hand. I got that energy, what has gotten into me? Sicker than your average, tell the doctor bring the remedy. My main bitch is Hennessy, cheated with that Parmesan. I come alive at the end of the bottle, it's almost gone. Demiris is my government, only rap name I need is my nigga Zeus, and that's just like my brother, bitch. Stay true to the covenant, my team's the ones I hustle with. 40 ounces, watch me guzzle it, I'm on some other shit. Demiris.